Welcome to Learn, Study and Grow. Subscribe to my channel. I need help. I need help. Call the police. Call the police. I need a doctor. I need a doctor. Is there a hospital nearby? Is there a hospital nearby? I am lost. I am lost. Can you help me find my way? Can you help me find my way? I lost my wallet. I lost my wallet. My laptop is not working. My laptop is not working. I have an emergency. I have an emergency. Is this the emergency room? Is this the emergency room? Where is the nearest pharmacy? Where is the nearest pharmacy? I need a medical assistant. I need a medical assistant. There has been an accident. There has been an accident. Can you call an ambulance? Can you call an ambulance? I am feeling unwell. I am feeling unwell. I need to see a dentist. I need to see a dentist. Is there a fire extinguisher? Is there a fire extinguisher? I need to contact my family. I need to contact my family. Can you help me with first aid? Can you help me with first aid? I need to report a crime. I need to report a crime.